Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a Cash App user, you know how convenient it is for managing your money on the go. But what happens when you need to update your debit card? Maybe it's expired, lost, or you're just switching to a new one. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to change your debit card on Cash App in 2025. It's easier than you think, and I'll make sure you get it done quickly and securely. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your phone. This ensures everything runs smoothly. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. It's that little person or circle with your initials. Next, scroll down in your profile settings until you find the Cash and BTC, or Banking, section. Here, you'll see your linked bank accounts and cards. Look for the debit card you want to change. Tap on it, and you'll get options to edit or remove it. Go ahead and select Remove Card, if that's available, or follow the prompts to unlink it. Don't worry, your funds won't be affected. Now, to add your new debit card, go back to the same section and look for an Add Card, or Link a New Card button. Enter the card details carefully: the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Cash App might ask for verification, like a small test deposit or a code sent to your phone, so keep an eye out for that. Once you've entered the details and completed any verification, hit Save or Add. Your new card should now be linked and ready to use for transactions. Remember, always use secure networks when doing this to protect your information. And there you have it. That's how you change your debit card on Cash App in 2025. It's a straightforward process that keeps your finances up to date. If you run into any issues, check the app's help section or contact support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.